Hello everyone and welcome to Bell Explains. In this video, I will be explaining 1.1 patterns. Draw the following patterns for the diagram below. So here we have one square, here we have one, here we have 1, 2, here we have 1, 2, 3. So as you can see here, the pattern is increasing 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So as it goes to the right, it will keep increasing. Here will be 5 and here will be 6. Okay, so here we have a triangle at 1, 2, and 3 angles. Then here we have square at 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Here we have a pentagon at 5 angles, which means the next pattern will be 6 angles, then 7, then 8. So here we will have a hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. State the pattern for the following sequence: 5, 12, 19, and 26. So here we have 12 minus 5, that gives us 7. 19 minus 12, that gives us 7. And 26 minus 19, that also gives us 7. So we know here the pattern is plus 7. B, -1, -4, -7, and -10. So let's find the pattern here. So let's take the number and minus the other one. -4 minus -1. That will give us -4 plus 1, and we'll know that we get -3. So the pattern here is -3. Next, we have -7 minus -4. That gives us -7 plus 4. We get -3 as well. So here we know that the pattern is -3. C, -4, 0, 4, and 8. Here you can see from 0 to 4, it's plus 4, and 4 to 8, it's another plus 4. So here we know the pattern is plus 4. D, 1, 4, 4, 72, 36, and 18. Okay, so in this pattern, we can see that this number is reduced by half. So 144 minus 72 gives us 72. 72 minus 36 gives us 36. 36 minus 18 gives us 18. So this gives us an idea that this number is reduced by half. Half is symbolized by 2. Divide by 2. So here we have divide by 2, and here we have divide by 2. 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 0, and -1 over 4. So from 0 to -4, we have the pattern of -1 over 4. So let's see whether here is also that pattern. Let's check. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. So here we can times 2 times 2, and that will give us 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4, and that will give us 1 over 4. So here to here is also minus 1 over 4. And here is also minus 1 over 4. So here we know that the pattern for E is 1 over 4. -1 over 4. For F, 11.2, -33.6, 100.8, and -302.4. Okay, so here, this number to this number, as you can see, it is multiplying by a number. Here is multiplying by another number, and this is also multiplying. So let's try 11.2 times -3. So that will give us -33.6. So here we get -33.6. From -33.6, we times another -3, we will get 100.8. So here we know the pattern is -3. For the number sequence here, state the number pattern for odd numbers and even numbers. So in this sequence, you can see 28 to 37 is plus 9, 37 to 46 is plus 9, and here is another plus 9. So we know that this sequence is adding 9 to the next number, for the next number, okay? I've already made a list of numbers here that is in this sequence. So let's do A. For odd number, let's circle them. Odd number, odd, 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 odd. So here we have 37, 55, 73, 91, 109, 127, and 145. For B, which is even numbers, we have 28, 46, 64, 82, 100, 118, and 136. Number 4. Complete the following Fibonacci numbers sequence. Okay, so here we have 1. So here we have 2, which means 2 minus 1 gives us 1 here. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Next we have 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Next 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. 5 plus 8 gives us 13. Fill in the missing numbers in the boxes below. We have 16 divided by 2 gives us 8 and 8. Divided by 2 again gives us 4, 4, 4 and 4. Adding this to 4 gives us 8 here. Okay, so let's get to it. Here we have 4, which means this 4 is divided into 2. Here we have 2 here and 2 here. This 8 is divided into 2, which means here is 4 and here is also 4. This 4 is then divided into 2, which means here is 2 and here is 2. So that gives us 2, 6, 6, 2.